Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and in today's video we are talking about acid graffiti and about the storefronts that got broke and went out of business just because they got vandalized so often that it probably was too much for them to stay in business, and I'm sure they were losing a lot of business because of the situation like this. So right now I am in Manhattan on this is East 11 and Avenue A. This neighborhood is known for all these type of damages and graffitis, and we often have similar jobs that we do. And right now this storefront that behind me, it used to be a 7-Eleven storefront, and we did clean this storefront probably 3 or 4 times from graffiti for the past 5 years. And I was accidentally passing by in this neighborhood. I didn't even know that they went out of business and they closed the store, but obviously graffiti probably was the main issue in this neighborhood for them. They were constantly hit with the new and new graffitis all the time. We were multiple times asking them and advising them to install anti-graffiti window film on their storefront, but obviously it needs a little bit of initial investment into the project, and I don't know, perhaps they decided not to do it, and this is what it led to. Every single glass pane, just look at this, this is all acid, and look, I'm cleaning, and you cannot fully clean all this glass. Look, this has been etched into the glass, look. And right now the only way to get rid of this, I mean, there's technically 2 ways. You either replace the entire glass piece, or we have to grind the glass in order to remove it. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, this one, this is clearly an acid-etched graffiti. The other one, here we have, this could be just the paint, but still, the other acid graffiti. Look how bad it is, and you didn't even see the corner. And if you would like to see the corner, like and subscribe this video, and I'm gonna go around the corner, and you will see that things that I'm showing you right now behind me in Manhattan, especially in this neighborhood, a very common thing, and you're just gonna see the extent of the damage that vandals are bringing to the storefront and to the business, the small business overall in Manhattan. I mean, we're gonna make a mission in our company to fight things like this by removing and restoring glass for the storefront owners. And we not just do glass, we also cleaned here. Look at this metal panel over here. It's an aluminum panel, also full of graffiti. I don't know, maybe somebody already tried to clean it. We can clean it off. Acid graffiti we can do also. So we're gonna make a mission just to clean it off, guys. Vandals, my message to you like this: no matter what you do, any action, there's a counteraction, and we are that counteraction that exists in New York City, right? So if you want to put the graffiti, we're gonna put anti-graffiti window film. If you're gonna tag somebody, we're gonna remove it. No matter what you do, you're not gonna win in this fight. Like and subscribe my video, and here is the other side of the damage. Look at all these, look how big is the panels. This is probably like 6 by 4 big pieces of the glass, everything in graffiti. And as I say, we cleaned this storefront probably last year, maybe 2 years ago. And as I spoke with my assistant, they closed their doors for the customers 10 months ago. So I don't know if they went out of business. Perhaps the lease was over, or the graffiti was the issue in their case. But no matter what, I know for sure that graffitis like this, they make a big problem for the storefront owners in Manhattan, especially in this neighborhood, in Soho, in Williamsburg. I know a lot of graffitis over there. less in Midtown, but still it exists. It is what it is, and my video is just to show you an extent of all these problems and to let you know that for all these types of damages we have a cure. We can buff it off, we can clean it. It's not easy sometimes, but it's possible. And Total Window Service can do it. So thank you for watching. This was Andrew. Like and subscribe my video. I have also a couple other videos with similar things that we do here and how we actually remove that kind of damage. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.